Hello everyone. Investing is one of the best ways to multiply your money these days. However, many people still have doubts about how to do it. In this video, we will discuss the main investment strategies for beginners, in order to help them achieve their financial goals. The first investment strategy we would like to present is the savings account. It's a safe and accessible option, perfect for those just starting out. The advantage is that you don't have to worry about value fluctuations, as the return is guaranteed by the central bank. Additionally, savings accounts are exempt from income tax. Another option for those just starting to invest is investment funds. In this type of investment, your money is pooled with others to purchase stocks, public securities, among other assets. This way, you have access to a diversified portfolio without having to invest a large amount of money. Stocks are also an interesting option for those looking to multiply their money. You can buy shares of companies and participate in their financial success. However, it is important to remember that this type of investment is riskier and can have significant variations in the short term. It's important to do good research before investing in stocks. The Treasury Direct is one of the most popular options among Brazilian investors. It involves the direct purchase of public securities from the federal government. The return is guaranteed and you can choose from securities with different terms and values. Additionally, Treasury Direct is exempt from income tax for individuals. These are the main investment strategies for beginners. It's important to remember that each person has different financial goals and that the best strategy for one person may not be the best for another. It's essential to analyze your own situation and consult a financial advisor if necessary. Thank you for watching.